everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video which is something I did last year. I don't know why I never did it again, but it is a huge PO unboxing where I basically don't open my PR packages for a little while, save them all up, and open them all on camera with you guys. Also, this is like the third video in a row that I'm wearing pajamas. I love this. I want to keep this going. I have a lot of boxes. I actually think that I have more boxes than I did the last time I did this video. So yeah, but oh yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kelsey. I would love to have you subscribe to hang out with me. So I have these scissors here that look like the Eiffel Tower. Very on brand for me. Ow. Okay, there's a little note. You know what's hotter than coffee? A guy from down under. Oh my gosh, is this food? They sent me coffee. I love when brands send me food. My favorite, a new coffee scrub. Ooh, there's also another body balm. Good, because I finished mine. Yay! Thank you so much, Frank Body, my favorite Australians. Next box also says the brand. It says it's from Too Faced. What do I do with all of this? I don't want to just throw it on the floor. They sent so much stuff. If you guys remember my last P.O. boxing, Too Faced sent me an actual fridge. Not a working fridge, but it was a fridge, which is really cool. So here's the inside of the package. This one says Pretty Rich on it. It's the Too Faced Diamond Light Eyeshadow Palette. Look at that. It's bedazzled. Okay, I'm gonna open this one right here just because it's a little bit in my personal bubble and I kind of wasn't feeling it. Hello? I really can't open this package. Ugh! It's from Origins. I have... Wow, let's open that. Okay, I have to cut it. Dang it. Kissed by Nature, Blooming Gold. Oh, bold. Wow. So we've got apparently every lipstick of this collection. Somebody's business card is just in here. I love that. I still have these Too Faced noodles all over me. Let's open up a little one. This one's rattling. So it says it's from L'Oreal right on the big L'Oreal. So it's a bunch of brow product and it says they're waterproof, which is really nice. They sent every color, but I'm only one brow color, so I'll probably hand these out to like some gal pals. Next, I want to open another big one. I'm going to do this one. Looks like it's a highlighter palette collection with a Pret a Powder limited edition powder and puff. Okay, let's see. Okay, that worked. Okay. It is Neutrogena. We have a Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream, Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream. We've got the Whipped Body Balm and then a bunch of lip glosses. Thank you guys. Now I won't be ashy. This one's kind of catching my attention. It says the brand name. I think that's the brand name. Who is this from? I still don't know who it's from. Yeah, I guess Uma is the brand. And we're very excited to invite you to our Experience of Korean Skincare Beauty Box. Korean skincare is the best skincare. The case full of, I don't know how to pronounce that. We have carefully selected and curated each and every one of these products for our customers. With this beauty box, you'll be able to feel the transformative power of Korean skincare firsthand. Okay, I'm ready. So let's see. We've got a sheet mask here. We've got, so it comes with 2 toners, a cleanser, an essence, an eye cream, a sun cream, a serum, a moisturizer, a primer, and a face oil. This is so adorable. Ooh, what is this? This is the essence. Look how cute this packaging is. This is adorable. It's like a, ooh. Oh, that smells nice. I love this. Thank you. We've got, ooh, I just saw who this is from. We've got a Wander Beauty package. I love Wander Beauty. Take Flight Skincare Discovery Kit. Okay, so it's like a travel skincare kit, which is like so me. Okay, so it comes with the gold eye mask, which I talked about in my favorites video. They're the like baggage claim eye masks. It comes with a hydrating mask, a purifying and brightening peel off mask, and a glow ahead face oil. And then it also comes with these. It also comes with these Glow Getter Energy Formula vegan tablets. Oh my gosh, my eyes just watered. That smells so bad. This one's from Ren Skincare. We've got these Beauty Sleep, helps to promote restful beauty sleep pills. And then we have this overnight recovery balm. We have and now to sleep pillow spray. I love pillow sprays. Then we have the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day overnight perfector. What does that mean? Wake up to morning vibrant, shiny, manageable hair. I want to do that. That lasts up to 5 shampoos. What is this? Okay, apply to damp or dry hair before bed from root to end, comb through, leave in or wash out in the morning. Fast absorbing, pillow safe, use as often as needed. Oh my gosh. Okay, this sounds really awesome. I'm gonna have to try that. Next box we have is this box, which is from Way. I'm not sure which Way. I'm not sure which way I'm supposed to open this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I think this is their hair perfume. Yes, it is. Look how aesthetic their packaging is. Mercer Street. Is that the I think that's the scent. Are there multiple scents? I thought there was just one. Maybe this is the one. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. Very adorable bottle. Let's smell this. Is this body or hair perfume? I don't know. Maybe both. Ooh, it smells really good. Yeah, it smells really good. It's like really sweet. I like it. This one, I don't know who it's from. Amore Pacific. Spilling the green tea. Get it? Because everything's green tea in the skincare. So we've got a whole coffee cup. My cup of tea. Love these puns, you guys. This is, ooh, green tea. Yay, they sent me some green tea. We've got the Time Response Eye Reserve Cream. We've got this lip serum. And we've got this Vintage Single Extract Essence. What does that mean? Oh, I love their packaging. They have like such sleek, cool packaging. Look at that. How do you work it? Do I just, oh, that's easy. Here it is, our last package. Here we are. It is from, I don't know. It is from Carity. Palettes for paws. Oh my gosh, wait, is this for a dog? Because that would be adorable. Wait, we've got 2 makeup brushes. Okay, wait, so what's the thing about the dog? Oh, it's cruelty-free. That's disappointing. I thought it was an eyelash pouch for a dog. Who would do that? Why would I think that it was an eyelash? I'm laughing about the thought of me thinking that somebody would make an eyeshadow palette for dogs. Oh my gosh, I'm crying so much. Thank you for the eyeshadow palette, even though sadly it's not one for dogs. Hi. Hi guys. I'm not crying about dog eyeshadow. So that is our last package. My parents are home and I'm gonna go eat lunch. And I may or may not put eyeshadow on my dog later. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little PO unboxing with me. If you guys did enjoy it, let me know because I can probably do more of them and keep saving up. If you guys like these videos, so give it a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed them. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos a week, one on Tuesday and one on Fridays. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.